Mr. General Editor, dear Mr. President, fellow Toastmasters and guests. It was a long time since the last time I heard the project of Valeria, and that's a shame actually, because I quite enjoyed today's project. And what I especially enjoyed is the choice of topic. Well, it was personal, but still it had something appealing to the audience, and probably the audience learned something about how it happens beside the scene, beside the stage, in the organizing of the meetings. And you also appeal to some, you try to persuade the audience to change some behavior, to change the emails, and try to educate the audience too. And I enjoyed the speech. And what about the topic? Well, there are two kinds of project number 5 in our plan. The first one is when person decides to facilitate the task and choose the topic which is really having something to do with body language. It can be something about dances, about corrida, about habits of troglodytes. So something which has a lot of movements and which is easy to illustrate. The other people, the brave ones, do like learning. She chosen the topic which is not really suitable for a lot of body movement. But actually, if it's done correctly, we can see that almost any kind of topic can be used to show that person can handle the task of using the body language. Just like Valeria did. Well, the gestures were great. Well, was well rehearsed. Actually, rehearsed so well that they look very natural. And I think if that unluckily Valeria had to cancel her project, when in the metro station, Allah would understand her gestures why she has to cancel the project. Because you were really, really natural, and it was clear why you choose that gesture to be in that place of your speech. However, there were some things which I'm not sure about. One thing is probably a little bit excessive movement of your head. It looks a little bit like you change the orientation of your head each 10 seconds. It looks a little bit cute, but sometimes a little bit, well, not annoying, but a little bit strange. Maybe you have to just check if you're doing it on purpose or you just don't know what you're doing. And yes, the other thing is the motion on the stage. Sometimes it's useful to move from one part of stage to the other, but at some point I felt that you move from here to here only because you forgot what you're going to say next. It's just to have some time to move here, and here you have your notes. So you move from here to there, look to the notes. Maybe not look to the notes, but you stand here, make a pause, and when you proceed, you have to use that instrument, that tool, the movement on the stage, on purpose, and not just to look to the notes. And finally, the last thing, the problem which you probably know you have. Sometimes you use excessive pauses. It looks like you not really remember what you're trying to say. Pauses is a powerful tool, but you have to use them on purpose again. But actually it's a goal of the next project, which will be working with your vocal variety and pauses and everything. So I think you will address it next time, and well done, congratulations.